many bad things sticking in my telephone. We're gonna stick to the plan, so